Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tech for you in simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw money from Revolut in 2025. Whether you're a Revolut newbie or a seasoned user, this guide will have you accessing your funds hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Revolut app installed on your phone. Revolut updates frequently, so head to your app store and update if needed. It's crucial for 2025's enhanced security features. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for quick access. Now, navigate to your main dashboard. You'll see your account balance front and center. Tap on it to open your account details. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually under a menu icon or directly in your account section. Revolut makes this super intuitive, so it should be easy to spot. Next, select your withdrawal method. In 2025, Revolut offers options like ATM withdrawal, bank transfer, or even instant transfers to other apps. If you're going for an ATM, choose that and link your card if you haven't already. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, double-check to avoid mistakes, and review any potential fees. Pro tip: opt for in-network ATMs to minimize charges, especially if you're on a standard plan. Hit confirm, and you'll get a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter it to finalize the transaction. Boom! Your withdrawal is processing. Depending on the method, you could have your cash in minutes or a few business days. Before we wrap up, remember to keep an eye on your transaction history in the app to track everything. If you run into any issues, Revolut's in-app chat support is top-notch and available 24/7. There you have it, withdrawals made simple. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your favorite Revolut feature? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.